Everybody rise before the king of silliness. Everybody rise before the king of silliness. I mean them silly, willy, billy, dilly, hilly, filly gills. They move me like a nooka, like a shlaka, shaka boom. Hey everyone, this is Kenny with a new song called Making a Sound. There was a time when cell phones were not around. There were no Facebook, computers, TVs or phones, not even cars. Yet people still got around and were able to make a sound. Wanna know why? You may testify. Everyone's got their own wits, talents and gifts. You don't need to use electronics just to feel good. Friends and family are there to help with living in the hood, like everyone should. Nature and beauty are always surrounding. Take a look where the trees shook. Their branches sway as you lay at the big rabbit hole. The sand, it withers from your hands, spreading out all over the beach. Watch it quiver, starting to shiver, shimmering so bright with all of its might. Everyone's got their own wits, talents and gifts. You don't need to use electronics just to feel good. Friends and family are there to help with living in the hood, like everyone should. You have memories and treasures, they can all be your pleasures. Through radiance over mountains, no hesitance will be glowing. I see you as true, you know what to do. Don't ever give in, you know what's within your soul as you reach for your goal.